This is a book in front of me, and inshallah you will learn today in this book Asmaul Ishara and Huruful Istifham. Let us see. This is kursi, kursiyun, and this is a home. Baitun means house, and this is pen means qalamun, and this is bag means haqibatun, and this is masjid means this is school means madrasatun, and this is a garden means hadiqatun. Now let us see towards this page. Hada baitun, this is a house, and hada kursiyun, this is a chair, hada qalamun, this is a pen, hadihi haqibatun, this is a bag, hadihi madrasatun, this is a school, hadihi hadiqatun, this is a garden. Hadiqatun, madrasatun, haqibatun. You can see tai marbuta at the end of these three words because these three are feminine, and there is no tai marbuta in the end of this is baitun, kursiyun, kalamun. These are called masculine.